Hi students, today we discuss about Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. గిబ్స్-హెల్మ్హోల్ట్జ్ యొక్క సమీకరణం తెలుగులో గిబ్స్-హెల్మ్హోల్ట్జ్ యొక్క సమీకరణం. So in this the Gibbs-Helmholtz equation, in this Gibbs free energy equation is G is equal to H minus Ts. So this is the principle of Gibbs free energy. Gibbs free energy. But enthalpy. So enthalpy H is equal to E plus PV. E plus PV. So this is the Gibbs free energy principle. G is equal to H minus Ts. But enthalpy H is equal to E plus PV. So that's why G is equal to so H equation H plus PV substitute in Gibbs free energy equation. So G is equal to E plus PV minus Ts. So this is the first equation. So we consider this is the first equation. So in this, so we differentiate the first equation. So dE plus dE plus PdV plus VdP minus TdS minus SdT. So this is the equation number 2. Equation number 2. But thermodynamic first law, according to thermodynamic first law, so the dq is equal to dE plus PdV. So this is the equation number 3. This is the equation number 3. So the reversible reaction, so the equation ds is equal to dq by t. So dq is equal to now, so tds. So tds. So this is the equation number 4. So now this is the third equation. This is the fourth equation. dq is equal to dE plus PdV. dq is equal to TdS. So third and fourth equation. So in this common is dq. So second equation. So this is the second equation. So substitute. So third and fourth equation substitute in second equation. That's why. So that is the dg is equal to so dq plus vdp minus dq minus sdt vdp. So sdt. So TDS dq. So in this dE plus PdV. So this is the dE plus PdV. So this is the dq. So that's why dq plus dq minus dq. So both are cancelled. So balance is, so dg is equal to so vdp minus sdt. So this is the equation number 5. But in this we maintain constant pressure. Maintain constant pressure. So capital P. So that's why dP is equal to 0. So that's why the equation number 5. So in this dg as usual dg by dt. So this is the dt d dt. So in this pressure is constant, so that's why P is equal to, so minus S. So this is the dg by dt. So complete hold the bracket, and P is equal to minus S. So we take this one, sixth equation. So in this, so 1 2 3 4, so this is the 5. In this we take another equation, so our convenient. So dg is equal to minus S dt. dg is equal to minus S dt. So this is the sixth equation. So this equation as usual belongs to this one. So dg is equal to minus S dt. So this is the equation number 6. So dg dt whole P is equal to minus S. So we maintain only constant pressure. So that's why dP is equal to 0. So this is the equation number 6. So dg by dt, so whole bracket P is equal to minus S. So this is the sixth equation. So from sixth equation, so in this dg1 is equal to minus S1 dt. So this one, so dg, so generally dg1 is equal to minus S1 dt. So as usual dg2 is equal to minus S2 dt. So in this d common in this, so g2 minus g1 is equal to minus S2 minus S1. So common dt. So so open the bracket and delta g. So g2 minus g1. So in this delta g, so we taken delta g is equal to minus S delta S. So S2 minus S1. So that's why it is a delta S into dt. So in this minus delta S is equal to, so in this open the bracket d, so delta g by d, close the bracket. So this is the equation number 7. So now in this some changes occurred. So the free energy changes occurred. So that is the delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. So now minus delta S is equal to, so now delta G. So delta G minus delta H by T. So this is the equation number 8. So delta S minus delta S is equal to delta G minus delta H by, so this one T. Okay, so this is the equation number 8. So now according to 7 and 8 equation, second and 8 equations, in this minus delta S, so both are same. So in this d delta G by dt, in this delta G minus delta H by T. So from 7 and 8 equations, so now delta G minus delta H by T is equal to, delta G minus delta H by T is equal to, open the bracket, d delta G by dt. So whole bracket and P. As usual in this also P present. So this is the equation number 9. So last one, delta G minus delta H is equal to, so now, so T is there, so T into d delta G by dt. So bracket close and P. So this is the Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. So this is the Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. So simply in this it also simplified to delta G is equal to delta H plus T. So open the bracket. So d delta G by dt. So close the bracket. So this is Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. So simply, so this is the Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. Thank you, students.